Yo guy, it's your boy Mozaro again, and then the about a little bit about business. Yes, there are some things there, only two things there. If you're doing your business, trust me, your business is going to move, and it's working here for me. So just stay tuned. I'll be right back. Make sure if you're new here, you subscribe, give a like, share this video to a friend. Let's grow the community together. You are part of it. We are making the journey together. Let's keep moving, bro. For every successful business, I always tell you, say, yeah, facts are the bro, have your research, everything, they are very practical. But to be used to research what they can home. Now, also, they are in your best. I want you to be better than this. Don't just do what you are doing, be different. So, when you do your business more, first, I mean, now that I've realized, and it's very working, it's very good, like I'm a business anymore. Those are the two things. One is be honest with your clients. I don't need to say, I just tell the client, say, this is how it is. Don't hide anything. Don't hide anything. Just be honest with your client. Be very realistic with them. If you don't have it, then tell them, I don't have it, I can get it for you. Don't tell them I have it and throw baby that. Just be realistic with them. Your clients are your clients. Number two is communication in your team. So if you have a team and you communicate, make sure they communicate a very end like, let me say, it's a final communication. For example, maybe or client be person your transaction and you are telling your team member or boss BB, just tell your boss and say, maybe your client has so much person on your transaction and that's it into a drew I am friend. That's how we communicate in a team. Don't say, oh, your client will not your person in a transaction. Or communication is incomplete. Everybody will say, oh, okay. They will be waiting for a feedback. Say, oh, your clients are ready and now on your ready. So, your communication with team, make sure it's very conk. It's pepe. That's how your team is going to grow. Your business is going to grow. Trust me, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It's very free and share to your friend. You like someone, so share. Why don't you share? Don't be selfish. Share. It's a secret here we are sharing. We want to all grow together, so make sure you help a friend as well. The name is Mozaro. Search us across any platform, especially Google. You can get our details, everything there, and our contact details, email, website, everything. So just click the notification button so that you get in touch with our next video. Thanks for watching.